TeaserGen is a website that allows you to turn any landing page into a viral teaser video. You simply paste the URL and you can get a cinematic animated video ready to post on socials in seconds. If this is your first time here, my name is Jay and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here, and of course I've pasted perfecting prompts. You guys will probably see the ad for that. It's my 7-day crash course in the form of an ebook which essentially teaches the foundations of how to prompt. I often like to say putting words together is a creative endeavor, but having structure and a particular format to your prompts can be quite useful, and that's what we go through in the ebook. I myself often say to my corporate clients that there are 3 sort of stages to effective prompt engineering and 3 understandings of it. The first one is of course the fundamentals, being clear, concise, right? Having things like delimiters so the model doesn't, give you a book to read. And then of course there is also, frameworks like Core and Create, which I go into with my clients and also in the ebook. And then of course you have prompt banks, which is essentially a series of modular prompts you can copy and paste and then tweak some dynamic variables in order to actually get the output. So as you can see here, this has already been created and this looks quite cool. Now I can buy and download this for just $5.99, which I don't think is too bad actually. I think this is pretty cool. It's gonna be an interesting ad. In any case, I could also post this on X. I wonder how it would work for links that aren't actually products. I think that would be interesting. So you can even tweak things here like the hero slide. I think someone's probably just packaged a remotion skill and put this on here and basically like launched it as a micro sort of SaaS. But yeah, this looks pretty cool. You can change the headline, the tagline, the features, the icons, the description. So there is quite a lot of customization available, and the CTA slide as well. Of course, if you wanted to download this, you can do so for $5.99. Now I think this is pretty cool. Yeah, definitely check it out if it would be useful for you. If I click view page, of course it's going to take me to the page for perfecting prompts, right? And yeah, I think this is quite a neat little app, especially if you've got something and you just want to quickly whip up a little sort of video for it. So yeah, definitely check it out if you think it would be useful for you. You can also redo it as well. So yeah, you can have many different iterations of the video generated from your URL. Now I think this actually has a lot of scope in e-commerce. Of course, you could actually create a whole lot of videos like this, add them to the page, or maybe you can use it in content whenever you're trying to promote the product or service itself.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
And yeah, just quickly start building some teasers. Now this is optimized for X or Twitter, as you can see, but I think it could potentially be used in other locations as well. Cool, good stuff. So yeah, we've just got another one, and yeah, as you can see, this is looking pretty cool. We can notice there's a difference, and yeah, quite engaging, I have to say. So definitely check this out if it would be useful for you. Before I go, we can see, of course, we got the brand colors correctly pulled from my website, right, which is of course jjohnson.co.uk. But yeah, definitely a cool platform. Check it out if you think it would be useful for you.